Hi friends, welcome to Health Hymns, and this is part 3 of the menopause video wherein I'll be explaining you about the do's and don'ts in your diet pre and post menopause and also a simple homemade recipe which will be very helpful post menopause. In the earlier episodes, that is in the part 1, we had discussed about the symptoms of menopause and also a few health tips for menopause. And in part 2 video, we had discussed about the best known Ayurveda herbs which are very helpful during menopause. If at all you have not watched these videos, please do follow the links in the info cards above or in the description below. Come on, now let's move on to the content. That is the diet, the do's and don'ts. So the do's. Once women attain menopause, we are all aware that there will be a depletion in the calcium levels in the body which may lead to osteoporosis-like condition. So our diet should be very rich in calcium and vitamin D supplements. Vitamin D will help in absorption of calcium in the body. Sufficient quantity of milk and other dairy products should be part of the diet post-menopause. We should make sure that there is sufficient intake of fruits and vegetables. And especially our food should be rich in legumes, nuts, flax seeds, soya beans, or chana dal because they are very highly rich in phytoestrogenic content. Next, let us see about the don'ts in your diet. So avoid spicy foods, caffeine intake has to be limited, and also if we are used to alcohol and smoke, it is better to avoid them or reduce it. Junk foods are something which needs to be really avoided. Now let us move on to the main part of this video, that is the recipe for menopause. I would call it the Meno-Rich recipe, which is prepared out of ingredients which are very commonly available at home. Really, we should call them the superfoods for menopause. Now let's move on to the ingredients. First we will take a cup of almonds and a cup of walnut. Both these ingredients are highly rich in zinc, phosphorus and especially calcium. They are also rich in vitamin E. They are also rich in polyunsaturated fatty acids which are good for the body. So as we all know that zinc regularizes thyroid functions and the calcium content in both these ingredients will help reduce osteoporosis. Next superfood is pumpkin seeds. Pumpkin seeds are highly rich in phytoestrogenic content and they are also rich in unsaturated fatty acids. They are rich in antioxidants, magnesium, phosphorus and folate. Many of the recent researchers indicate that pumpkin seeds help in reducing the blood pressure, regularizes the sugar level, reduces cholesterol, and also decreases the risk of breast cancer in postmenopausal women. Even the oil of pumpkin, when consumed at a dosage of 2 grams per day for a period of 3 months, has significant effect in reducing blood pressure levels. Next ingredient is flax seeds. As you all know that flax seeds are one of the important sources of essential fatty acids, that is the omega-3 and omega-6. They are also one of the richest sources of phytoestrogenic content. These phytoestrogenic foods are those which are derived from plant sources. These when consumed will mimic the role of estrogen hormone in the body, which is otherwise absent post-menopause. Next ingredient will be sesame seeds or gingerly seeds. So we all know that gingerly seeds are highly rich in calcium, zinc and phosphorus, and it is also rich in lignans which helps in reduction of blood pressure. Along with these ingredients we will also take a cup of raisins. Diabetic people may try to avoid this raisins and go ahead with the rest of the ingredients. Now let us dry roast each of the ingredients separately. Initially I will roast the pumpkin seeds. Next, let us roast sesame seeds. Make sure that there is a medium flame for this, otherwise it gets charred. Now let us roast almonds. Now let us roast walnuts separately. Now let us roast flax seeds. Now allow all the ingredients to cool down, and once after it cools down, mix all these ingredients and then let us now grind it into a fine or a coarse powder according to the requirement. Here I am grinding these ingredients little coarsely, and this powder can be taken along with milk, or you can make chickpeas out of it, and this can be consumed. This is one of the very healthy foods and the simplest superfood that every menopausal woman must take without fail. Hope you enjoyed this video. Let us catch up in the next video shortly. Thank you so much for watching.